Hello guys, welcome to our channel. Today I am going to show you how to keep Facebook friends list private. Okay, so let's get started. Then first I will click on Facebook app. Tap on menu option. Click on settings and privacy. Okay. Then tap on settings. Search on friends. Okay. Then tap on how can see your friend list. Okay. Then this option is only me, and this customize your option. Then public, then friends, then customize. Okay, then only me. That's all. Thanks for watching. Please like, comments and subscribe. Thank you.